Welcome to another episode of Tech Talk Today. I'm your host, and today we're diving deep into the exciting world of coding tools, specifically focusing on the OpenAI Codex CLI. If you're a developer looking to enhance your coding workflow or get into the nitty-gritty of AI in development, this episode is for you. So let's kick things off with a little background. Imagine you're writing code, and you wish you had a partner who could not only understand your commands, but also execute them in real time, all while keeping your project safe. Well, that's essentially what the Codex CLI offers. It's a command line interface that allows developers to leverage GPT-level reasoning alongside the power of code execution. Pretty fascinating, right? Now, to get started with Codex, you need to install it globally on your machine using a simple command. Just drop in npm install openai/codex, and before you know it, you're off to the races. But wait, there's more. You'll also want to set your OpenAI API key as an environment variable to connect with Codex. It's as simple as typing export OpenAI API key, your API key -here in your terminal. Okay, so what makes Codex really shine? Well, one of its standout features is its ability to run inside a sandboxed environment. This means that it executes commands securely without the risk of compromising your main project. Imagine the peace of mind you'd have knowing that everything is contained and secure. Definitely something worth considering. Moving on, let's talk about the various approval modes Codex supports. You have the default suggest mode, where Codex can read files and suggest changes, but still requires your approval to execute commands. Then, there's the auto-edit mode, which allows for more autonomy in making edits. And finally, the powerful full auto mode, where Codex does everything from reading to writing files, and even executing shell commands. Now this is where it gets interesting. In full auto, Codex runs with restricted permissions to keep everything safe, so developers can use it without worrying about potential risks. Think about it like a digital assistant who follows your instructions, but has built-in safety measures to protect your workspace. And for our listeners who might be new to coding or development, here's a quick analogy. Imagine you're baking a cake. Codex is like having a sous chef who not only helps gather all the ingredients, but also bakes the cake for you, ensuring the oven is safe and only takes the necessary steps to avoid any mess. It's about efficiency with a layer of security. Now let's get into some practical use cases. With Codex, you can easily refactor components, generate migrations, or even write unit tests. You type a simple command, like refactor the dashboard component to React hooks, and Codex takes care of the rest. It's like having a coding wizard at your fingertips. Who wouldn't want that kind of magic in their coding life? We should also touch on community involvement, since Codex is fully open source. If you're interested in contributing, there are numerous ways, from opening issues to submitting pull requests. This fostering of a collaborative environment is vital for the continuous improvement of the tool. As we wrap up this discussion about Codex CLI, let's reflect on a couple of key takeaways. First, the seamless integration of AI in development tools not only accelerates the coding process but also enhances security and efficiency. Second, the open source nature means that anyone can contribute to its evolution, making it a community-driven project. So what do you think? Are you ready to give Codex CLI a try? Or maybe you've already been using it and have some experiences to share. Whatever the case, drop us a message on our social media or leave a comment on our website. Thank you for tuning in today. Until next time, keep coding, keep exploring, and stay curious.